Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and I think I might have a breaking news to do as something we've noticed this morning and later confirmed across multiple accounts that the Creator Connection programs is no longer beta. For those who do not know what the Creator Connection is, don't worry. I'm going to do a full tutorial on how to use it and some of the best tactics we've have gone through last year to generate over $500,000 for one of our partners. And the post was created this morning. I really suggest you to check it out. And for those who've heard of it, you definitely knew that program was beta and was not available on all the accounts. And as of today, or probably a couple of days, it is no longer, because on both of my accounts that I did not have an access, now I do, and multiple other partners we've checked in the past, they did not have it, they do. So it is a great news, and I'm excited to share about the program, how to do it, and everything that we know so far. So please stick around. First of all, for those who don't know, the Creator Connection is the Amazon affiliate marketing platform. It is largely based, according to my assumption, to Amazon Associates program, which was the front end portion of the Amazon affiliates. And the Creator Connection program is actually bridging that gap between Amazon Associates and the sellers, which is, as mentioned, is incredible. Before that, the sellers had to rely largely on finding those creators, how to do affiliate marketing using third-party tools, maybe ShareASale, whatever you've been using. Now you don't have to. And the way it operates, it's fairly simple, very straightforward, and it fits into one of my other posts that I talked about as a fixed ICOS acquisition, because this is a pay-per-play game, which means you only pay when you get a sale. And if you know what is your ACOS, you can easily adjust your customer acquisition cost or the commission that you're going to pay to the customer, and and generate sales that way. So let's go into the platform dashboard, how it looks like, and what you can do, and what we do, and I hope it's interesting. So the first and foremost, where is it? From the menu section, you need to go advertising, campaign manager, and creator connection. So here we go. This is a standard dashboard for everyone. You're going to see your brand name here. It is part of an Amazon advertising. So yes, and as you can see, Amazon Ads Batch. And you have three actionable buttons here. One will be the view requests, creator requests, and this message icon here. So one by one, the view requests are, we're going to click it. Where's the place where you're going to see all the requests. You're going to see all your campaign. You'll be able to actually dive into the campaign from there, but that's the section. Create request is self-explanatory. It's when you create a request, and by that it means you are offering your product to the affiliates, and you're opening up a request for these creators to take an opportunity and work with you. And then a third one is the messaging, and I want to start from here a little bit. So why this messaging and what function it does? What it do is, majority of the campaigns that you're going to create here are automatic. You don't really interact with those creators. You create a campaign, you set up your budget, and we'll do that. You'll see it, but that's pretty much it. It picks up by the creator or an establishment, whatever it is. For example, they can get like a BuzzFeed, another big, Barstool, I think is another one. But you're not really going to interact. You're going to set up your budget, you're going to set up your commission, and that's it. And then you're just going to be able to monitor. With the messages, that's where you starting to see creators reaching out to you directly. And that's a great place if you're looking for a brand awareness, because these creators, you can talk with them, you can give them a content ideas, you can see what they do, and send them samples and let them to create a content for you that can be later repurposed, whatever it is, in your detail page updates, in your A+ content, A+ premium content, or within your Amazon advertising, video advertising. So if you're looking something more of a brand awareness, the detailed, you need to check your messages, because as soon as you create the campaign, this thing will start lighting up with the red, and you can kind of start interacting. So next step, let's go to the view request. I have created one dummy campaign just to show how things are, but I promise at the end of the video, or maybe in a follow-up video, I'll show one of the accounts where we've seen six-figure sales happen even today. So We go to the view requests, and here we go. You'll see I have one campaign. I started it today. 800, it's up to 800 creators have been reached out. 0 has accepted yet because it's still pending. And you'll see the content submitted. If there is submitted, at your start date, your end date, and the budget. Worth noting a couple of things. Your start date and end date. This is not like your regular promotion that lasts only 30 days. It can last a lot longer. I don't think I've seen a limit there. And a budget. It has to be no less than $5,000. And also your offer, which is the percentage, we'll get to that when we create the actual campaign, has to be at least 10% or more. So when we go to the campaign, we'll see our campaign kind of a message, the campaign name overall, and this is where the data will start filling in. And again, on a follow-up video, we'll get to what kind of data you're getting. But this is the basic structure. As you can see, it's very simple, straightforward. The only difference is here in the bottom, you'll start seeing the creators who picked up your product and where it's been posted and etc., which is very cool. If we go back, the next one will be the create a campaign. So let's create a campaign. I'll speak about a couple of things that we were able to kind of sharpen our skills, how to use this tool probably, and to our advantage. So starting from the campaign, and this is the first clue, first tip. So we realized with A/B tested that whenever your copy on your title is better, you get a lot more chances to be picked up by the creators, and your campaign will grow. And by that, what I mean, for example, we had a basic title, and we had a title saying the product is 50% off, or it was a best deal, something very encouraging, because you got to remember on the back end, the content creators are here to make money as well. So will be more inclined towards the products that are on a discount, has a larger volume. So when you are, discounting or offering a best deal, they know there's going to be volume. So they're going to be more inclined. Again, it's an assumption, but we've seen that happening. So be creative with your title. Do not just put, like I did, a test, because creators are going to see that. Next one will be a message to a creator. Again, I'll suggest you write something appealing. And for example, you can do an experiment. If you're running TikTok affiliate, which is, if you know, it's one of the biggest marketing tools for the TikTok, you can, it's very similar here. So you can utilize to kind of A/B test to see what works on your TikTok. Will it work for you on Amazon affiliate or not? Next, additional disclosure. To be honest, I don't think we will use that, so I can't really give you much information there yet. Start and end date, very self-explanatory, and the budget and commission rate. So two things here. First, the budget. Another thing we learned, when there is a larger budget, you are most likely going to get more sales, and the reasoning behind it. If you are a content creator, and if you're a good one for that matter, because obviously there are some that they know they have large volume, or they work with a specific product type or category, they can drive more sales. You will not really waste your time on a smaller budget, understanding that if making it 10% on a 5,000 budget, it is just X much, and they can calculate how much they can make, especially given that there can be more creators. So they are less likely to pick up your product for an advertising, for an affiliate marketing. So consider that. Again, we've seen identical campaigns and A/B testing, larger budget getting better results. And the budget here are something to think a little bit differently about, because this is a pay-to-play game. This budget will only be utilized when the sale happens. So if you are okay with an average ACoS that you have on your advertising console, then you can come up with a reasonable budget and a commission rate for that matter to run this infinitely if it works. Why not? Generate that sale, generate that extra traffic, generate that brand awareness outside, and let it perform. So bottom here, you pick your product. Obviously, you pick a brand here if you want to. But that's it. That's straightforward. Then campaign is created, and it goes to the page that I showed previously. So that's about it. I'll stop it right here. Let me know if you knew about this. Let me know if you're using it and what kind of results you're getting. Check out the post that I did this morning, because it shows over $500,000 generated for one of the brands we work with, which is amazing. And on the next video, I'll show you the results of that, of Cullivan probably accounts that we have used this, and it's working great. So again, I think this is a very good platform for creating additional traffic, for increasing your sales, for your brand awareness. So let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you. We're back again. This is Ruben from PAS. A little bit shorter video to demonstrate some of the incredible results we got from the creators connections. And this is one of our partner accounts. You can see we started in March, I think. But we seriously picked up from the October Q4, generating over $500,000 in sale. And some of them completed. Some of them are still working, as we relaunched them in January 1st. And one thing I want to bring to your attention, if you watched the first video, I talked about experimenting about the titles. And here you can see with a short title and long title for exact same product or exact same discount. And you can see the difference in sales. Also, look at the budgets. The higher budgets get the most sales. So it's kind of a proof of concept, not only with this account, but other accounts as well. And here, you have the request from the various creators, as I discussed before. So this is kind of an active account, so you can see how it looks like. Let's dive into the one of the campaigns, and I'll show you how the inside of the campaigns look like. And here we are on the back end of one of the campaigns, and you can see we have an elaborate title. We have very good and strong message to the creator, including our YouTube pages, where we want to show that we are such a great product, and there is a really good partnership to be made. A number of creators, this is kind of what we went over. And now the amount of creators that has been accepted our offer, 186 out of 800. And not necessarily everyone that is accepted will create a content, and the dashboard will do a great job showing it to you. For example, we've been accepted by BuzzFeed, but they never done this, at least on this campaign. But the ones who content submitted, you can see submitted content sign. And down is the dashboard. You'll see the ASINs, you'll see the information, very similar to what the advertising dashboard will look like. And you have your metrics here to choose from, which is, amazing. You see the spend, you see the sales, and just to check, for example, this campaign and see the back end and how it looks like. So this is a top of 5 organization, and we can see from here where our product ended up as an advertising. So this is kind of an, to get the overall idea how it will look like. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gives you a better idea how the creator connection works. And let me know if you have any comments or any questions. I'll be happy to jump on. And everyone who's serious to understanding this better and utilizing, you're always welcome to contact me on LinkedIn or through my website. Thank you and have a great day.